In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Confluence for project management and team collaboration. By the end of this video, you'll know how to organize projects, collaborate with your team, track progress, and keep everything in one central workspace. Start by creating a dedicated space for your project or team. Choose a suitable template or create a blank space if you prefer to build your own structure. A dedicated space keeps project documents, meeting notes, and resources organized in one place. Next, create a main project page that acts as your project hub. Add links to important documents, meeting notes, project plans, and related pages so your team always knows where to find key information. As your project grows, organize content with parent and child pages to keep everything easy to navigate. To save time and maintain consistency, use Confluence templates for project plans, meeting notes, sprint retrospectives, or documentation. Templates give every project the same structure, making collaboration much easier. For brainstorming sessions, use Confluence whiteboards to capture ideas, create diagrams, and map workflows with your team in real time. Once your ideas are finalized, add them to your project pages for future reference. If your team uses Jira, connect your Jira projects to Confluence pages. This allows you to display Jira issues, sprint progress, and task updates directly inside your documentation without switching between applications. You can also create databases or tables to manage project information such as tasks, deadlines, owners, or project assets. Apply filters and different views to help your team quickly find the information they need. Collaboration becomes even easier with inline comments and page comments. Team members can leave feedback on specific sections, mention colleagues using the @ symbol, and work together on the same page in real time. Finally, keep your workspace organized by using labels, archiving outdated pages, and maintaining a clear page hierarchy. A well-organized Confluence space helps everyone find information quickly and keeps projects running smoothly. That's how to use Confluence for project management and team collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.